Okay, hey guys, and welcome to the unboxing of the A7 III, the nightmare of a camera that no one seems to be able to get in any way, shape or form. However, I have got one after waiting about 4 months. This is everything that you get inside the box, so I'm going to go through everything one by one. So let's start with this. No one's going to read it off. If you like books and stuff, there you go. There's a lot of instructions on how to take care of it, I guess, or how to turn it on. I don't know. Papers. This strap, so nice, thanks Sony A7 strap, just says Sony A7. For those that don't know, A stands for Alpha. I could be making that up, but I'm pretty sure it does. Next is my problem with these cables. So what you get inside this thing is 1, 2, and 3, and yes, I know they're each for one country. However, I have something to say about this. So as far as I can tell, again, I could be wrong, I think you plug that into that, and then you plug that into that, which is a micro USB cable, FYI, and then you plug the micro USB into the camera to charge the battery, because as far as I can tell, this doesn't have, and I just broke a brand new camera. Ugh, let's hope this still works. Hey Sony, if you're watching this, can I have a new battery please, thanks. Okay, ignore everything I was complaining about earlier, guys. The cable setup is brilliant, so Sony, if you can send me a new camera, that'll be amazing, thank you. Anyway, I'm hoping Sony's now tuned off so I can continue complaining about what I was originally saying. Okay, I love the camera, don't get me wrong. However, what I don't understand is why do I need all these, let's throw these out because I'll be using this one because I'm in Australia. So why when I'm traveling, which I travel, and most photographers and videographers or whatever travel, why do I need to take this to connect into this, to connect into this, to connect into that, to charge it, when this has a USB-C port on it somewhere on this camera? I know it exists. Trust me, I've done enough research now. So it does have a USB-C port somewhere, right there. Why didn't you just give me a USB-C cable to charge with? I'm so confused. Why did they just give me one USB-C cable? They would have saved money on making all of that. And I can just use the charger from my Pixel or the MacBook or whatever and have one charger to charge everything. So, I don't know. Sony, if you're watching and you didn't actually tune off, firstly, send me a camera. Secondly, god damn it, why did you give me so many cables? Just annoying. Just give me one USB-C cable. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing of me clicking my fingers and making things disappear. If you did, smash the thumbs up down below. If you didn't, smash the thumbs up down below anyway. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!